In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and make the most of the brand discovery features on the Temu app. Whether you're hunting for big name brands or exploring exciting new ones, this guide will walk you through each step, making your shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive right into it. First, grab your smartphone and open the Temu app. If you haven't done this before, you'll find it's very intuitive and easy to navigate. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. This is your starting point, filled with a variety of featured brands. The Temu app does a fantastic job of showcasing an array of different options, from popular household names to emerging brands that are just waiting for you to discover them. Have a scroll through the homepage and take your time. You'll notice that it's visually engaging, with various collections and suggestions tailored to your browsing habits. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the experience. Should you have a brand in mind that you're particularly keen on checking out, you can head straight to the search bar. You'll find this at the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and type in the name of the brand you're looking for. Within moments, you'll see a list of suggestions pop up, allowing you to quickly access products and deals related to your chosen brand. Now, keep your eyes peeled for the promotional banners. These dynamic banners are usually located on the homepage as well, and they are not to be missed. They are a gateway to exclusive deals and offers that Temu provides from time to time. You'll likely find these banners showcasing limited time offers, so it's worth checking them whenever you visit the app. Engaging with these promotions can often lead to significant savings or special bundles that you might not have found otherwise. Each of these steps is designed to help you make the most out of the Temu app, offering you an enriched shopping experience. By navigating through feature highlights, utilizing the search function, and exploring promotional deals, you are poised to find exactly what you're looking for, and perhaps even stumble upon some pleasant surprises along the way. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to explore brands on Temu. By following these steps, you're not just shopping, you're embarking on a journey of discovery, fueled by the convenience and diversity that the app has to offer. Enjoy your shopping experience, and don't forget to explore those brand deals while they last. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos to make your shopping more effective and enjoyable.